In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add products onto your Shopify platform from your administrative dashboard. Let's kick off the process by navigating to the Products tab in your admin platform. Once you're in the Products section, locate and click on the Add Product option. This is the first step toward showcasing your product on your online store. Now, let's look at defining the identity of your product. This starts with a compelling and descriptive title that expresses the uniqueness of your product. Be creative and try to capture the essence of your product in a way that both informs and captivates your audience. After creating a title that truly represents your product, it's time to add a detailed description. Your product's description should highlight its features and benefits, while weaving in relevant keywords to attract your desired audience. If you need help creating this description, don't worry, because Shopify's integrated AI tools are capable of generating descriptions for you too. Next on our list is deciding how to visually represent your product. This is done under the Media section. You'll be able to upload high-quality images or videos, even drag and drop them to your preferred arrangement. Always remember the importance of having or creating high-quality media that truly represents your brand and product. In case your product offers multiple variants like different sizes or colors, head over to the Variants section. You have the freedom to add as many options as you need, specify their values such as black, blue, or green, and assign an image for each of these variants. Shopify even lets you adjust the price and stock for each variant separately. Pricing your product is a critical aspect of this process, so set a competitive price that also guarantees a decent revenue. You also have the option of adding a compare at price, providing a sense of a sale and potentially driving more sales. Let's move to the Inventory section now. From here, you can track your product's quantity, add a SKU and barcode, and set an option to allow customers to purchase even if the product is out of stock. If you're selling physical products, you need to provide information about the weight of the product under the Shipping section. This data is used for shipping calculations. Additionally, you can add customs information if needed. Now that your product details are set, it's time to organize and finalize. You can add product types, vendors, and tags under the Organization section to help systemize your products in a way that's easy for you to manage. Determine where you'd like your product to appear by selecting your preferred sales channels, e.g., your online store. Lastly, take a quick dive into the search engine listing to edit how your product will show up in the search engine results. Once you're satisfied with every detail, click Save to finally bring your product live in your store. So, that's it. You've successfully added a product to your Shopify store. We hope this tutorial was helpful. Stay tuned for more Shopify tips and tricks.